Hello, I am back. Let's do this. Last time we're finishing up this step. Basically the goal, so it's step 9. So let's continue finishing this step here. Let's test it out on the game screen. Head for the goal. You go for it. So I'll go for the goal here, right? You got to the goal, and the score appeared. Great. Okay, so the other thing we had planned was display perfect if the player managed to defeat all the aliens on the level. To the program screen. We'll display our perfect score message the same way we do the score teleport. To start, let's copy the object text Nodon. Now, make the copy text object bigger and move it down below. Now open its settings. Edit, press edit, and then enter the text perfect. Did you enter perfect? Now open up the text color. Make it yellow so it stands out. Alrighty, close settings. Now we need to copy the teleporting object entrance Nodon. Oh, this time I will carry the words of the congratulations through the channels of subspace. So we need to place the copied teleport object entrance Nodon so that it overlaps the text Nodon a little bit. Yep. We need to open its settings, teleport it to B, and close the settings. Now we need an exact copy of the exit. Then above its location there, I'm connected to the B entrance. Submit to B. I see the exit from the subspace has been decreed. Alright, everything's hooked up to the teleport perfect message. Next, our task is to create a setup that triggers the warp when a perfect score is achieved. Getting a perfect score would mean defeat every alien. That's 20 aliens altogether. Counter Nodon keeps track of the numbers that aliens defeated. I do the counting, yes. When the value of the counting Nodon hits 20, then we want the teleport object, so go to middle, comparison, equals, then call it the comparison Nodon. Oh, have you defeated 20 aliens yet? Have you? Go to inputs, and then constant, and then call up a constant Nodon. Now I'll go to the constant Nodon settings screen, okay? Set it to 20. Alrighty. 20. Now and forever, 20. Connect the counter Nodon to the comparison Nodons. Then connect the constant Nodon to comparison to the second input. Okay. Now that all that's connected up, the comparison Nodon will output a signal as soon as 20 aliens have been defeated. That's all the aliens. And all it remains to connect the comparison Nodon to the teleport entrance Nodon. Yep. Hang on a sec. We actually have a problem. At the moment, the perfect score message will be displayed as soon as 20 aliens have been defeated. What we really want is for the perfect score message to display along with the score when the player hits. In other words, we need, when 2 conditions have been satisfied, defeating 20 aliens and getting a UFO to the goal. This brings us to our next task, making the setup to trigger the message when both conditions have been met. And I know just the Nodon for a setup like this. And it's the AND Nodon. Go to middle, then logic, then call up the AND Nodon from AND. Left, right, and Nodon, reporting for duty. You know the drill. You know the drill. If the input isn't presented correctly in both my ports, I'll simply withhold my signal. Put another way, and if the AND Nodon gets a signal at both of its input ports, it will send a signal from its output port. Connect the comparison Nodon and the AND and connect the comparison Nodon to the AND Nodon's input 2 port. First condition, blast 20 aliens. Now connected to the touch sensor and to the Nodon's 1 input. Second condition, reaching the goal with ease. Finally, connect the AND Nodon to the teleport object entrance Nodon. That's pretty much it. Thanks to all that, if we defeat 20 aliens and reach the goal, perfect score message will be displayed. Alrighty, time for us to go check it out on the game screen. Wait a minute, don't you think destroying 20 aliens is going to be a bit difficult for the sake of the test flight? Why don't we relax the conditions a bit just while we're testing it out? Open up the constant Nodon settings screen. Set the output value to 3. Now since we changed that value, we'll only need to defeat 3 aliens to trigger the perfect score set message. Now close the screen. Okay, now we're ready to check our perfect scores message. Defeat exactly 3 aliens to get to the goal. That should be enough to display the message. There's the message. Okay, that's working like it should. Let's put it back to how it was before. Open up the constant Nodon settings screen. Set it back to 20. Oh my god. Come on! Go to 20! Oh, fuck this. Okay, close the settings screen. While we're at it, let's return the UFO to the level starting position. Select the game screen Nodon. Move it all the way over to the starting position. Now select the UFO Nodon. And put that to the starting position too. We'll be able to play the game from the very beginning now. Alrighty, let's take Alien Blaster out for its first test run. Maybe it's difficult, so try putting your best on the score for the counter, okay? There we go. Reach the skull and perfect. Score 20. Awesome. Wow, Dry Crunch. Your game playing is good as your game building. Okay, to the program screen. Alrighty. Time for me to say, Step 9 is complete. I'll count up another success. Perfect. Good work. Woohoo. You're even better than before. In this step, we took care of displaying the score. And we made use of the AND Nodon while displaying the perfect score message. The next step is the final one. All that remains is to add a few finishing touches. We just need you to breathe a little bit of that Dry Crunch inspiration into it. And we'll leave it there for now. See you in the next step. AND Nodon reporting for duty. Huh. That was a lot. Oh, it's just a little bit. Damn. Next time on Let's Play Game Builder Garage, we're going to do the Alice's Guide first, then do the final step of Lesson 3, Alien Blaster. I guess I'll catch you all later in the next video. Peace to crispy, everybody. Bye.